Welcome back viewers to the new video, and in this video I will show you how to fix custom thumbnail problem on your YouTube studio. First of all, to upload the custom thumbnail on YouTube, you need to verify your YouTube account. If you are facing a problem like cannot able to upload custom thumbnails, then it means your channel is not yet verified. How to fix custom thumbnail problem on YouTube Studio. Let's start. Step 1. Chrome all data and cache clear. On your phone, go to Setting, tap on Application. Tap on Application Manager. Click on Chrome. Click on Manage Storage. Tap on Clear All Data. Click on Clear Cache. Step 2. Verify your account on YouTube. Open your Chrome browser. Accept and continue. Sign in your email account and click on Yes. Open YouTube in Chrome browser. Click on the three dot and click on the desktop site. Access your channel on YouTube. Top left select and then select Settings. Another page will open. Click on Channel Status and Features. Click the Verify button. Click the Text Me, then select Country, and enter your phone number, then click on Get Code. Wait a few seconds, enter the code to get the code. Then submit. Now your phone number is verified. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on Edit Video. Tap on pencil icon. Tap on Custom Thumbnail. Select your thumbnail, want to give them. Click Done. Click Save. See, custom thumbnail problem is solved. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share to your friends.